Hello everyone, welcome to another video of Fixing X. In this video, I'm going to talk about contactless patient and elderly care using mmWave sensors. The COVID-19 pandemic has forced us to change the way we live our lives. One area that has been significantly impacted is healthcare for sure. With social distancing and lockdowns, patients and the elderly have faced difficulties in receiving proper care. But now with the help of mmWave sensors, contactless patient and elderly caring is becoming a reality. So what are mmWave sensors? As most of you know, these are the small devices that use high frequency radio waves to detect motion and presence. They are becoming increasingly popular in the healthcare settings, and they allow for contactless monitoring of the patients and elderly. Let's take a look at how mmWave sensors are being used in the patient care. With the help of mmWave sensors, nurses and doctors can monitor patients without having to touch them. This reduces the risk of infection and allows for better social distancing. And that also applies when you put one of these devices at your home, so you can monitor the elderly people if you're away from home. The data from the mmWave sensors is transmitted to a tablet or a computer where the nurses, doctors, or anyone who is taking care of can view it in real time. Now this allows them to monitor the patient's vital signs such as heart rate monitoring, breathing. And it's not just patients who are benefiting from mmWave sensors. Elderly people who require assistance with walking can also use. Sensors can detect when a person is about to fall and alert the caregiver, who can then intervene to prevent a fall. In addition, mmWave sensors has been used to monitor elderly people who are living alone. They can be placed in different areas of the room, and the data from the sensors can be used to detect any unusual movement or behavior. Finally, mmWave sensors can also be used in telemedicine. Doctors can use the sensors to monitor the patients remotely, allowing them to produce care without having to be physically present. Contactless patients and elderly care is here to stay, and thanks to the mmWave sensors from amazing companies like TI. I hope you find this video informative, and stay tuned for more videos, and please don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.